Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Bybit account in PC or laptop. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in bybit.com, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Bybit. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll also be able to find the option for sign up. So if you do not have the account yet, you can click on that option and sign up for your account. But if you already have the account and if you want to log into your account, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Bybit. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. All you have to do is enter your email address over here, or you can also enter your mobile, or you can also log in with QR code. So simply select the option of your choice. You'll also be able to find other login methods like Google, Apple and Telegram over here. So simply click on the login method that you'd use while creating your account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. So click on the field of email and enter your email address over here. Once you do that, click on the field of password and enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option forget password and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter the credentials, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see on the screen. You might also have to go through the authentication. You'll have to enter the code sent to your phone number. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.